Hello, and welcome to CircinoNow How-To video series. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to show you how to make the most of our features and functionalities, so you can thrive as a professional. Let's get started. How to use AI Career Wizard. Start by accessing the Member Login menu in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. From the menu options, select Career Wizard and you will be directed to the AI Career Wizard page. The AI Career Wizard is a collection of personalizable tools designed to support you at every stage of your career journey. With the AI Career Wizard, you can optimize your career profile using the Career Profile Wizard, craft effective cover letters with the Cover Letter Wizard, analyze job opportunities with the Job Analysis Wizard, prepare for interviews with the Interview Wizard. Powered by advanced AI algorithms, the AI Career Wizard helps you refine and enhance every aspect of your career materials. In this how-to video, we will guide you through each feature to help you make the most of this powerful tool. To optimize your career profile, click on the Career Profile Wizard button. By default, your primary career profile is selected for optimization. If you want to optimize a different profile, select it from the Profile drop-down list. The selected career profile will be displayed in the Career Profile tab. As an optional step, you can copy and paste a specific job description to have the Career Profile Wizard optimize your selected career profile against it. To do this, click on the Job Description button, paste the job description into the designated field, and then switch back to the Career Profile Wizard page by clicking on the Career Profile Wizard button. After selecting the career profile and entering the job description, click on the Optimize button. You will see the optimization progress bar indicating the process is underway. Once the optimization is completed, click on the AI Optimized Career Profile tab. The AI Optimized Career Profile will be displayed on the screen. To save this AI Optimized Career Profile into the Multi-Profile Manager, click the Save Result button. Now that this AI Optimized Career Profile is saved into your Multi-Profile Manager, you can use the Career Profile Builder to make any edits or changes. For detailed guidance on using the Career Profile Builder and Multi-Profile Manager, please visit the CircinoNow Help Center or How-To series on our YouTube channel. To customize your cover letter based on your selected career profile, click on the Cover Letter Wizard button. First, copy and paste the cover letter you want the Cover Letter Wizard to customize into the designated field. As an optional step, you can enhance the customization by pasting a specific job description. This will allow the Cover Letter Wizard to tailor your cover letter based on both your selected career profile and the job description. To do this, click on the Job Description button, paste the job description into the designated field, and then switch back to the Cover Letter Wizard page by clicking on the Cover Letter Wizard button. After entering the cover letter and job description, click on the Customize button. You will see a progress bar indicating that the customization is underway. Once the customization is complete, click on the AI Customized Cover Letter tab. Your AI Customized Cover Letter will be displayed on the screen. To print this cover letter in PDF format, click the Create PDF button. When the PDF cover letter is generated, you will see a Download button on the screen. Click the Download PDF button to download and save the PDF. Helpful hint: you can edit the AI Customized Cover Letter directly on the screen before creating the PDF. The Job Analysis Wizard can perform a comprehensive analysis of job fit, evaluating the alignment between your selected career profile and a job description. You can also include your cover letter for an enhanced job match analysis. First, ensure you have selected the career profile you want to analyze. Click on the Career Profile Wizard button, then select the desired career profile from the drop-down list. Next, click on the Job Description button, paste the job description into the designated field, and then click on the Job Analysis Wizard button. For a more comprehensive analysis, you can also include a cover letter. This will allow the Job Analysis Wizard to assess both your career profile and cover letter. To do this, click on the Cover Letter Wizard button, paste the cover letter into the designated field, and then switch back to the Job Analysis Wizard page by clicking on the Job Analysis Wizard button. After entering the job description, selecting your career profile, and optionally adding a cover letter, click on the Analyze button. Once the analysis is complete, you will see the results displayed on the screen. The Interview Wizard is an AI-powered interview coach designed to help candidates generate personalized interview questions based on their career profile, cover letter, and job description. It can generate a list of potential tailored interviewer questions based on information about the company, the interviewer's job title, and the position you're applying for. This includes various types of interview questions such as behavioral, technical, situational questions, and more. Additionally, it suggests appropriate answers based on your career profile, cover letter, and job description, identifying key points that should be used to formulate your responses. The Interview Wizard can also generate a list of personalized and targeted questions you can ask the interviewer based on their title and job function. It recommends relevant questions to raise during the interview and suggests potential responses from the interviewer, along with how you can respond to these answers to convey your qualifications effectively. To generate the interview questions, you must provide the career profile you submitted for the job application, an optional cover letter, the job description, the interviewer's job title, company information, and the position you are applying for. To select the career profile, click on the Career Profile Wizard button and choose the applicable career profile from the drop-down list. If you submitted a cover letter for the job application, click on the Cover Letter Wizard button and paste the cover letter into the designated field. Next, click on the Job Description button and paste the job description into the designated field. Once you have selected the career profile and filled in the cover letter and job description, click on the Interview Wizard button. On the Interview Wizard page, enter the interviewer's job title, company information, and the position you are applying for into the designated fields. Now that you have provided all the necessary information, click on the Interviewer Questions button to generate interviewer questions. You will see a progress bar indicating that the question generation is underway. Once the interviewer questions are generated, click on the Interviewer Questions tab to view them. If desired, you can also generate a list of recommended personalized questions to ask during the interview. To do this, click on the Interviewee Questions button. You will see a progress bar indicating that the question generation is underway. Once the interviewee questions are generated, click on the Interviewee Questions tab to view them. Thank you for watching. For more tips and tutorials, visit CircinoNow at www.circinonow.com.
CircinoNow, where professionals thrive.